हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू शॉर्ट हैंड विद विनय। ये डिक्टेशन 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट पे होगी और इस डिक्टेशन का पैसेज प्लस जो टफेस्ट आउटलाइन है दोनों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। आप वहाँ से चेक कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। By means of the first writ petition, the petitioner challenged his compulsory retirement from service of Punjab and Sindh Bank, and the second writ petition was preferred by the petitioner assailing the denial of pensionary benefits consequent on his compulsory retirement from service, full stop. Since both the writ petitions are interconnected, the same are being disposed of by this common judgment, full stop. The petitioner was put under suspension by the order of regional manager on 24/11/1992, full stop. He was served with the statement of the allegations, full stop. A copy of the charge sheet, however, was not supplied to the petitioner in spite of the request having been made, full stop. Mr. S.K. Bahal, manager, was appointed as inquiring authority who submitted his inquiry report on 28/8/1993, full stop. Zonal manager, acting in the capacity of disciplinary authority, accepted the inquiry report and ordered dismissal of the petitioner from the service of the bank, full stop. Against this order of dismissal passed on 23/1994, an appeal was preferred by the petitioner to the joint general manager, full stop. This appeal was, however, decided by the deputy general manager personnel by means of his order dated 3/5/1995, substituting the penalty of dismissal from service with the penalty of compulsory retirement, full stop. A review petition was made by the petitioner to the general manager, full stop. The review petition was dismissed by the general manager personnel by means of his order dated 30/6/1996, full stop. The petitioner then approached this court by filing writ petition number 14446 of 1996, wherein no counter affidavit was filed on behalf of the respondents and, therefore, the averments of the petitioner remain uncontroverted, full stop, para. The petitioner then filed the second writ petition number 37230 of 1998, claiming that he was entitled to pensionary benefits consequent upon his compulsory retirement from the service of the bank if the same were denied to him in spite of the repeated representations made to the bank and the respondents failed to pay the retirement benefits, full stop. The respondents denied the retirement benefits on the ground that the bank was not in a position to consider the petitioner's case for pension, as the petitioner had not opted for pension by 22/7/1996, which was the last date for giving option for pension, full stop. The petitioner has prayed for quashing the order of the bank dated 28/1/1997 declining to grant pension to him, full stop. The bank also declined to pay the gratuity and leave encashment of the petitioner by means of the order dated 21/1998, alleging that the rules did not permit payment of gratuity and leave encashment to the employees who are compulsory retired by way of punishment, full stop. The petitioner, therefore, also prayed for the quashing of the orders dated 28/1/1997 and 21/1998 declining to grant pension, gratuity and leave encashment, full stop, para. Punjab and Sindh Bank officers, employees, discipline and appeal, regulations 1981, framed in exercise of the powers conferred by section 19 of the Banking Companies, acquisition and transfer of undertakings, Act 1980 by the Board of Directors of Punjab and Sindh Bank in consultation with the Reserve Bank and with the previous sanction of the central government, comma, are admittedly applicable to the case before us, full stop. In the regulation, disciplinary authority has been defined as the authority specified in the schedule, comma, which is competent to impose on an officer dash employee any of the penalty specified in the regulation, full stop. The schedule attached to the aforesaid regulations shows that the disciplinary authority of the petitioner who was in the junior management grade, comma, scale first, comma, was deputy general manager within bracket personnel, full stop. It is worth nothing that the regulation for within bracket small f provides that compulsory retirement is one of the major punishments, and regulation 4-h provides that the dismissal, comma, which shall ordinarily be a disqualification for future employment is major penalty, full stop.